Hello guys, this is Yashvi Gaming. Well, if you're new to the channel, consider to like the video, share the video, and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, ring that bell notification as well to stay updated. What you wanna do is you wanna go to ChatGPT, you wanna click Start Now. Okay, so you can click if you already have an account, click Login. If not, click Sign Up and register an account on ChatGPT. Alright, so once you're in, what you want to do, you're going to click this open sidebar, and then you're going to click on explore ChatGPTs, and right here you're going to write in consistent character GPT. Alright, so the first one which pops up, click on that and click start chat. Okay, conversation right here, start chat. Alright, now what you want to do, you're gonna grab this prompt. Okay, and all you want to do is paste it right here, and this gonna give you an image. Okay, it's gonna generate an AI image. Alright, so if you're happy with this image, alright, just download it, save it to desktop, whatever. Now let's say you don't want this Apple logo, you don't want the guitar. Alright, so you'd like to change anything. Okay, just go to Canva. Alright, click on start designing, continue with Google, or just create an account. Okay, so once you're inside Canva, click on create a design. Choose a presentation, whether it's a video landscape, or maybe I'm just gonna go with this presentation 16:9. Alright, or you can first let's just do this. Now click on uploads and click upload file, choose the image that you downloaded. Okay, click on the uploads, select the image right here and right click on it, set image as background. Okay, that's good. Now click on the image. Let's say you don't want the guitar, you don't want this big Apple logo, so you're gonna click on edit right there and then click on magic grab. Right, so next thing we'll go with the runway. Alright, alright, so you're gonna click on generate video. Yeah, make sure that you log in or whatever. So you want to drop this image right here. As for the session, so you wanna write whatever, and to describe your shot, all you want to do is just paste this prompt right here. Select 10 seconds the duration and choose a Gen 3 Alpha Turbo. Okay, and whenever you're ready guys, just click generate button.
So this is the final results, guys. We have generated an AI talking avatar, and also using my own voice, all the dubbing and lip syncing. Everything syncs perfectly, right? That's so awesome. If you find this type video helpful, kindly, please like and subscribe for more AI tutorials.